morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Yes? Stay safe. Let's begin our correction session with a prayer. So, join your hands, close your eyes and start with me. Lord, I can't say through my words. Can you please just listen through my heart? Thank you, Lord. Yes, we have started our correction session with prayer. So, let's see what correction we all require. First of all, let's give us a big round of applause, please. Clap your hands. Yes, why? Because you all have done very nicely in your notebooks. Even all the parents and the teachers, they have taught you the small cursive. Yes, you all have done very nicely in the notebook. There are few corrections I would like to make on the board so that you can have a look. Let's begin it. Say suppose A. You start writing A. To start from second blue line, make a curve, make C, go up, come down and a curve. Then B is okay for everybody. I think you all have corrected and you have written it very nicely. Then comes the letter F. We require certain correction for letter F. Start from here, take from the second blue line, go up till the red line, make a curve, come down to the fourth red line, go up to the first blue line, make a curve and out. Children, please note and mummies do note, ऐसे लिखना है. Another letter is G. You have to write first like A, make a curve, go up, come to the red line and then out. This is your letter G. Letter K. In K also you have to start from the blue line, go up, make curve, come down till blue line, make a curve and down. This is your letter K. In cursive writing, you have to start maximum letter in the two blue lines. Wherever it is required, we have to touch the red line and then come to the blue line. In only G, F, J, you have to touch the fourth blue line. Please just note how to write like this way. Then comes to letter P. Few of them would love to have the correction. So start from your blue line, make a line like this till the red line, then make like this way. This is your letter P. I'll show you once again. Letter P, go up, come down, again go up and curve. This is your letter P. Letter Q, you have to start like C, go up, come to the red line and touch the blue line. This is your letter Q. Now comes letter R. Only few have got this thing to be corrected. Rest all have written very nicely. Start from the blue line, go to the first blue line, make a curve and then touch the blue line, come down and out. Now let's move on to the another letter. Rest all the letters were very much clear to you. You have to write the U, take from here or from the second blue line, go up to the first blue line, come down, go up to the first blue line, come down and curve. This is your letter U. Letter V, same way, take it from the down. No, you have to take it from here, first blue line. Take like this way, go up and out. This is not the correct one which I have noted. I'll show you the right one. So don't write this way. You have to start it from here, go up, come down and curve. Now only the letter, yes, the letter O was there. I lapse it up and letter Z. So let's complete with letter Z. This way. So do make the correction and the Z should be like this way. Do note all the corrections should go accordingly. You have to write corrected way in a 2 blue lines where you require you have to touch the red line of the 4th line. There's one more letter. Okay children, so you have seen how to do the correction. Now let's see in the notebook also. I have shown you on the blackboard. Now let's come to the notebook. How you have to do in your notebook. So come towards the notebook. Take out your 4-line notebook and start the correction session. Okay, so children, let's have a look how we write in the notebook. Start from this blue line. See, second blue line you have to start. Start from the second blue line to the first blue line. Make C, go up, come down and curve. How to write the B? Take from blue, go up till the red line, go to the blue line and curve and out. This is your letter B. Letter C. Take a curve from the second blue line to the first blue line and little curve. आप बीच में छोड़ मत देना. As if I'll show you here. Somebody has written like this way. This is not the correct way. The correct way is little curve from the bottom too. Now start writing D. Take a curve like C. Go up to the red line, come down and curve. Letter E. From the second blue line again and a curve. Letter F. You have to start from the blue line. Go up, come down to red line, make curve and out. Letter G. Take a curve like C, go up, come down and up. Letter H. Yes. Letter I. From the blue line to blue line only and make a perfect dot on top. Letter J. Take from here, make a line. Take it from the second blue line, go up to the blue line and make a perfect dot. Move on to the K. Take from blue line, go to the red line, make a curve, come down till blue line. Then again make a curve and a slanting line. This is your K. Now L, simply, that is all perfectly you all have done. Come on to the M, take a curve and up and down and up and down and curve. In N also the same way, only one curve, not a double curve. Letter O, like C, go up and out. P, come down till the red line, make a curve and out. Letter Q, as if you are writing C, make curve like A but straight, come to the red line and little up to the blue line. Letter R, take from the blue line, go up till the first blue line, come down to the second blue line. Letter S, letter T, U. You have to take it a curve from here, go up, come down and out. The same way with V, but you have to write in a slanting way and a slanting again and out. W, you have to take it from the blue line, make up curve and out. As if you are writing M, it is an Ulta M. Very good. Then X, letter Y and letter Z. So children, please note, this is the correction you have to do in your notebook when you write the next time. Correct? Okay children, so you have to do the correction like this way. Till then, see ya, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.